Every morning at 6 a.m., before the sun even began to warm the streets, Ayaan tied his faded apron, pushed open the heavy wooden door of La Noor Bistro, and stepped inside as the restaurant's first employee of the day. To everyone around him, customers, neighbors, even the staff, he was just Ayaan the waiter, the quiet guy who always worked double shifts, always smiled politely, and always seemed tired but never complained. Not one person in that busy restaurant knew the truth. Ayaan owned the place. But he didn't correct them. He didn't show off. He didn't even park in the reserved spot that had his name on it. Because everything he had came from a story he never wanted to relive. 10 years earlier, Ayaan was not the owner, not even an employee. He was just a boy sitting outside the old restaurant, holding his school bag, waiting for his father to finish work. His father, Rahim, was the original owner. A kind man who believed food tasted better when cooked with dignity. He treated every customer like family and every worker like a partner, never an employee. But life doesn't always repay kindness. A sudden heart condition took Rahim away long before his time. Ayaan was only 17. And with his father gone, the restaurant was left drowning in debt. Investors circled like vultures. Some offered to buy it for scraps. Others demanded money Ayaan didn't have. He had only two choices. Sell everything his father built. Or fight for it. He chose to fight. Ayaan left college dreams behind. While his friends posted pictures of campus life, Ayaan scrubbed floors, cleaned dishes, learned recipes, and studied business late at night by the dim light of his phone. But it still wasn't enough. He was too young. No one took him seriously. Banks rejected him. Suppliers overcharged him. And the biggest blow came from someone he trusted, an uncle who claimed he'd help but secretly tried to transfer ownership to his own name. That betrayal broke something inside him. But it also sparked something new. The determination to rise, no matter what. So Ayaan made a decision. He would work for the restaurant, not above it. He would rebuild it from the ground up. He would understand every inch, every job, every problem. So he put on an apron. And became a waiter in his own restaurant. Years passed. Little by little, the restaurant began to change. He added a breakfast menu. He fixed the lighting. He improved customer service. He trained the staff personally, teaching them the kindness his father lived by. People started returning. Reviews improved. A blog even called it the coziest bistro in town. But still, nobody knew who the real owner was. And Ayaan preferred it that way. He wanted people to respect the restaurant, not him. One rainy evening, everything took a turn. An elderly woman walked in, soaked, shivering, with only a few coins in her hand. She whispered, "Just water, beta. I don't have money for food." Ayaan placed a warm plate of biryani in front of her without charging a rupee. She cried. But before he could walk away, she grabbed his hand and said, "You serve food like someone who has lost something, but loves still." She didn't know how right she was. That moment went viral. Captured by a customer who recognized compassion when he saw it. And within a week, La Noor Bistro was packed. People came not just for the food, but for the story of the waiter with the gentle smile. But the truth still wasn't out. One morning, a group of investors walked in. They had seen the viral video. They were impressed by the restaurant, and even more by the quiet waiter who handled everything effortlessly. They asked to meet the owner. The staff looked around, confused. The manager called for the waiter. "Ayaan, these gentlemen want to speak with the owner." Ayaan stepped forward. The investors frowned. "No, we want the owner." Ayaan smiled softly, wiped his hands on his apron, and said, "You're looking at him." Silence. Shock. Then applause from the entire staff who had no idea they were being led by the very man they respected. One investor asked, stunned. Why didn't you ever tell anyone? Ayaan replied. Because to lead people, you must first understand them. And to build something real, you must earn it with your own hands.